show how to convert your bootable pen drive to normal pen drive. So we can see guys, here my bootable pen drive. Now format, and start, and now OK. So my pen drive is formatting, so format complete. Now OK, and then close. And now type here cmd, so type of first command, disk part, and click yes. And second command is select disk, list of our disk. So type command list disk and click enter. So here disk 1 is my pen drive 29 GB. So select disk 1. And now click OK. So we can see guys, disk 1 is now the selected disk. Now type clean and then tap enter. So this part successful cleaning. So now exit. So here we can see guys, our pen drive is neat and clean. Now click Windows button and search here disk management. Disk management. And now then click enter. So now here 29.330 GB my pen drive, removable pen drive unlocated. Now click right button and new simple volume, and now click next, now click next, now click next and finish. So we can see guys, your pen drive is unbootable, healthy, primary partition. Now we can see here new volume G. My pen drive is successfully unbootable. Thanks for watching.